Hello friends, my name is Hamid. Today I'm working on this washer that you can see, made by Maytag. The model number is there. My customers complain is that it's making a lot of noise, so I'm going through diagnostic on this unit. To go on diagnostic on these units, you have to choose only one button and hold it for 4 seconds and then release it, hold it, release it, hold it, release it, and then eventually it will go to the diagnostic. So I'm doing it right now. I'm just gonna choose this one, press and hold it, release, hold, release, hold, release. So 4 seconds holding, 4 seconds or 3 seconds releasing. So the first code I got is F21. F21 error code is drainage issue. If the washer is not draining, if the drain pump is weak, or if there's something stuck in the drain pump where the coin traps are, or where the filter is, then it will also give you that code. So I'm gonna ignore it now because the customer never complained about drainage issue. She complained about the unit not the unit making noise. Okay, so you're gonna press this button until it's telling you to press the start button, or keep pressing it until it goes through its first cycle. It's gonna fill with water and then it's gonna do a component test here. So I'll just wait and see how it goes. And sometimes you can also press the button and take it forward, so you don't have to wait for the water to fill. I'm just going to check the spin cycle on this and see, is it really making noise or not? Is it loud noise, or if it's a small noise, what kind of noise? Yeah, so it's not going forward by pressing the button, so I'm gonna have to wait. That's a GE profile dryer. It's also an older model, and they're really good actually. They're well built. It's agitating right now. So on agitation, I don't hear any funny noise or any squeaking or grinding noise. We can only tell if there's a problem with the spin cycle. When it goes to the drainage, it's gonna drain and then it's gonna spin at the same time, and then it will tell me if there's problem with the bearing or if the flange is broken. I do not see flange that the triangle cast iron piece is broken on it, because the drum is spinning freely. It's not hitting the bottom of the gasket. And on these units, front loaders, all front loader washers, if you're not using the washer, always keep your door open, halfway open, and the soap dispenser open too, so you will have good air circulation, and the washer will never smell badly. So it's draining now, and then once the water drains all the way from the washer, it will start going to the spin cycle, and then that's gonna tell us if there is any noise. So C08. Goes right here. Sometimes they break, and you can always use a GB weld to re-weld it back. The plastic GB weld, you can always fix it back in. It's supposed to look like that, but it's broken. So it's spinning slowly, and it's gonna get faster and faster. I can hear a little bit noise right now. That's 100% the bearing. The bearing is shot on it. You can always check the washer by putting your fingers on the top of the drum like this, like that, and wiggle it back and forth, back and forth. I can see a little bit play, so if you have too much play in here, then that tells you that the flange is broken. There's a triangle cast iron piece at the back right there. If that breaks, you will have a lot of play here. But if you have a little bit play like this, that's usually your bearing. And you can also hear the way it sounds. When it was going to agitation, it was agitating. It wasn't making loud noise because the flange is not broken. But when it goes to the full spin cycle, then that's the time you can tell if the bearing is broken. So on this unit, the bearing is defective, and if you really want to go deep into this, you have to open the back panel, and sometimes you will also see some rust discoloration at the back bolt. There's one bolt that holds the motor in place or the pulley in place, and then it gets water from there, leakage, and eventually it's gonna rust out. So for today's video, this was the problem, and if you guys have any question, please comment below on my channel, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.